Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a person you would like to study or work with. Who is that person? Why would you like to study with him, her? What will you study? Rahul, my cousin, is the person I would pick to study or work with if I could. He is a highly skilled and informed person who is employed as a software engineer at a prominent international corporation. I've always found Rahul to be inspirational because of his strong work ethic and rapid acquisition of difficult ideas. I respect his ability to solve problems and his talent for providing clear, understandable explanations. Since I'm eager to get better at coding and programming languages, I'd like to study under Rahul because he has a great command of them. In addition to his exceptional technical knowledge, he teaches with patience and encouragement. He makes things much easier to understand by breaking them down step by step whenever I'm having trouble understanding them. I think working with him would improve my technical proficiency while also giving me more self-assurance to take on difficult subjects. I would like to study sophisticated programming languages and software development techniques with him if I get the chance. My future professional goals in the IT sector depend heavily on these abilities. Since Rahul frequently stresses the value of experiential learning, I see that our study sessions will incorporate practical projects and real-world problem-solving activities, which would enhance and make the experience more pleasurable. All things considered, learning from Rahul would be a fantastic chance to gain knowledge from someone I greatly respect and appreciate. I have no doubt that under his direction, I would succeed academically and professionally, and I eagerly await the day when we can work together on a worthwhile project.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.